Hey there, future UX designers. Welcome back to Brighten Up. Today, we're diving into why 2024 is a fantastic time to embark on a career in user experience design. Stick around as we explore the top 5 reasons that make being a UX designer not just a job, but an exciting and rewarding journey. High demand for UX designers. First up, let's talk about the incredible demand for UX designers. As technology becomes more integrated into our daily lives, companies are realizing the importance of providing seamless and enjoyable user experiences. The demand for UX designers is soaring, and it's projected to keep growing in 2024 and beyond. Focus on human-centered design. Reason number 2 is the increasing emphasis on human-centered design. Companies are recognizing that a product's success hinges on understanding and catering to the needs of the end users. UX designers play a pivotal role in ensuring that products are not just functional, but delightful and user-friendly. Evolution of technology. With the constant evolution of technology, being a UX designer in 2024 means you get to work on cutting-edge projects. Whether it's designing for augmented reality, virtual reality, or incorporating AI into user interfaces, you'll be at the forefront of shaping the digital experiences of the future. Remote work opportunities. Flexibility is key in 2024. With the rise of remote work, UX designers have more opportunities than ever. You can work with global teams, collaborate with diverse talents, and even embrace the freelance lifestyle, all while contributing to amazing projects from the comfort of your own space. AI is helpful for UI designers. And here's a bonus reason to consider. AI is a valuable ally for UI designers. In 2024, AI tools can streamline your workflow, offering insights, automating repetitive tasks, and helping you make data-driven design decisions. It's not about replacing designers, but enhancing their capabilities and efficiency. Contribution to social impact. The chance to make a real impact. UX design isn't just about creating pretty interfaces. It's about making a positive difference. Whether it's designing for accessibility, inclusivity, or sustainability, you'll have the power to influence and contribute to a better, more user-friendly world. Diverse career paths. UX design offers a spectrum of roles, from UX research to interaction design and information architecture. You can tailor your career to your interests and continuously evolve within this dynamic field. There you have it. 7 compelling reasons to consider a career in UX design in 2024. The world needs great designers right now. If you're passionate about creating exceptional user experiences and being a part of the evolving digital landscape, this is the field for you. I hope this video has inspired you and motivated you to pursue this amazing career. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more UX design content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.